Hi, in this video we're going to use Pythagoras theorem to solve problems involving cardinal directions. And by cardinal directions I mean like north, east, south, west, etc. So let's read the question. From point P, so let's put point P, Connor walks 130 meters due north, so he goes north like this, to a point Q, so he goes 130 meters. And then from Q, he then walks 120 meters due west. So west is left. Due west, so that's 120 to get to a point R. So we're now there. Work out the length of PR. Well, P to R is just this length here, like that. Yep. Now, notice that we've got a right angle triangle here because between going west and going north, you can see that is a right angle there. Those two directions are right angles from each other. So we could just use Pythagoras theorem here. Remember, Pythagoras theorem allows us to relate the three side lengths of a right angle triangle. So remember how Pythagoras theorem works. We can do one of the shorter lengths squared, so either the 120 or the 130. So 120 squared, and you add the square of the other shorter length, so 130 squared, and that is equal to the length of the hypotenuse squared. So this is the hypotenuse, it's the longest length of the right angle triangle, it's always opposite the right angle. And we don't know the length, let's just call it x for the moment. So that is equal to the hypotenuse squared, x squared, like that. And now we can just use our calculator to work out what x is. So let's just do 120 squared plus 130 squared. It is 31,300. And then to get rid of that squared on the x, we just square root both sides. So x is the square root of 31,300. And that is equal to 176.9 meters to one decimal place. And that's what we want. X is the length of P to R, which is what we want. We want P to R. So that is our answer. X is, the length is 176.9 meters. And that is the final answer.